welcome to Stone Hands. My name is Simo, and today we will dwell into the topic communication is basis of business. And what do I know about business or communication? Let's see. So, for 10 years, I have been in our family company, the assistant of the manager. For 8 years, I had my own company, and I have been sitting on boards of two organizations. One is the Estonian Eco-Village Network, and the another one is the Baltic Eco-Village Network, encompassing 8 to 9 countries, depending on the situation. Like Russia got thrown out from the organization 2 years ago. So, Baltic Eco-Village Network. And communication. So all of my business is based on communication. And I have learned it in my genes, because since my childhood, I have seen how business is done and how you craft an enterprise. I remember we were driving around Finland with my father when I was a small kid. And when he sees a car or a company or a number that was associated with his branch of business, so construction and construction materials, he would follow the car on a highway, see where when it pulls off and follows it, and then goes talk to a man or a driver and ask like, how is your business and what are you selling and where and how? And when he found that it is a match, then he made a proposal. Oh, we could beat the price of your retailer, etc. No problem. So I learned from him the basis of all business, and that's client acquisition. And it's not like that your clients are living in a eerie, fairyland. No, your clients are real people living their real lives, having children, having no work-life balance, going crazy and trying to survive or to thrive, depending on the mindset of a person. As I mentioned, use some work-life balance. Now the camera is shaking because my child is just pulling the stand like ah. So that's work-life balance, you know. So the basis is all about getting clients, and it's all about making yourself heard of. Yes, so many of us are doing stuff online, so you can make some marketing, like my own business, how I started getting clients. I started writing blog articles, and actually I made it in 2 places, on my website and on Facebook. And through Facebook, I attracted a huge following that my old friends started saying that I'm some guru who has got those worshippers, you know. Because I actually had a lot of people, thousands of people knowing me and following my posts, liking, commenting, and coming to my events through the posts. As I was sharing free information out. So one important aspect of communication is sharing the free information to your clients. Like I was writing topics of wellness and self-improvement, how to be more attuned to the nature, to the greatness of the nature, you know. So I was sharing my message and they were reading it, and then I put down, oh, we are organizing this event and this event on that city and on that in that town, and maybe you want to join. And they just came and came. That's organic marketing, you know. When you have a website or a blog, Facebook, and you just share your ideas. Even YouTube. Like I have on this very moment some 880 subscribers. So please subscribe. I want to get it to 1,000. And if you're watching it, if I have reached to 1,000, then subscribe. So I will reach even more subscribers. Organic reach, you know. But there's another way of communication that's not about organic, and it's all about paid marketing, paid advertisements, etc. But it all relates to communication, you know. You communicate your product, your message, your goal. I want to make the world a better place. No, I don't want to make a world a better place. I want to make all the people better communicators, and that they would understand the power of nature and bring their actions to a more sustainable way of life. That's what I want. A better world. No, fuck that shit. I want to have better relations between all the people, that there will be no freaking wars. So now I had to move the camera because child was just attacking it. That's work-life balance, as I mentioned. That also communication with your family, with your children, etc. That's part of living a good life and living a life that you are actually thriving. As I said, I was a child, my father brought me along to his business trips, etc. I learned, I saw people with whom he was interacting, selling or buying stuff or making some deals and agreements. I learned the easy way, not the hard way. Like I had to start from the scratch. No, I was a child and I saw how things are done, and now I can implement those things into my own life. So do not isolate your child into a school or a kindergarten. What the heck? Bring your child with you, that they could experience life and see how real life goes, and then pay to some teacher that they will teach them some basic principles of algebra and letters, etc. Most of important, do not isolate yourself from your fucking family. That's just madness that I have seen in this industrial world happening, like the school system. What the heck? Why you put your children away when they should be playing around, doing some stupid stuff and hanging with their parents and learning what their parents are doing? So go found your business. Go start doing business on side of your job as a side hustle, you know. As long as you ignore your greatest skill, which is being the master of your life, or actually having relationships that interact with each other, that you can be a master of your own life. And another thing, I'm not saying that you should quit your own job, but you can found your own business so that your boss could hire you through your business, not as you as an employee. It will give you much more freedom, or you can ask some equity in a business you are working on this very moment. Why not? So, and communication is about making the deals, making things happen, getting to know people and their problems. Like I was testing product in my own country, a school of voice alchemy, and then a person sued me that's a name that is already in use, a trademark. And I was like, what the heck? And it was not a trademark actually. So get a trademark. And I thought like, okay, I just don't want to deal with that person and I don't want to have any trouble. So I said, okay, fuck you, I will change the name. And I had another name like School of Voice Magicians or something like that. And it was so crap name that I stopped acquiring clients. My communication became shite because I had to change the name and I had to hurry to find a new one. And I was testing the market. I was communicating my message to market. Like, in the last 3 months I have sent 16,000 direct messages on my offer. Why not? Because I'm doing marketing, I'm communicating with people. And if they don't like my offer, I offer them another thing. I offer that I can market their stuff or their company for free. A few posts. So they could have free marketing. Why not? So, and another thing is when I was doing paid marketing is that making yourself seen as the key person of influence. Every company must have a face nowadays, because without a face you will not shape any relations. Because do you like talking to a computer? No. Computer says no. Do you like hanging up with a robot? Probably not. You want real human relations, and you want to feel real life, and from that you can grow and make your business a better place to stay, a better place to hang, and actually a lifestyle that you enjoy. Because having a nice relations, you enjoy your life. It's not about stress and fucking struggle. It's about making and weaving the networks, employing people who enjoy, and giving them some equity and a share in your company. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, check out my videos on manifestation. Subscribe, check that bell button, and see you soon. And let me know what are your thoughts on business. So bye.